Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a full face of luxury products, which is all here, even the shirt, everything, except for the nails. Excuse my nails, nothing's luxury over here about them, but it's okay because our face looks snatched, we look amazing, we feel amazing. And I'm going to show you all the products that I'm going to be using today. So let's get into this beautiful makeup tutorial, which looks amazing. Guys, I've been wanting to do this video for so long and we're finally doing it because we got a lot of expensive products over here, and I was like, it is time to do a full face of very expensive products, which the full face retails for like this amount of money, and it's kind of crazy, but we'll see where it leads us. Do we need all these products? Maybe not. Maybe we can find like cheaper alternative, but I just like to feel a little bit bougie sometimes at night when it's 3 a.m. you know. Yeah, and starting with the primer, of course, we're gonna go with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a mini version, but a big version, it is quite expensive. It's so good. I do love like a good discount and a good sale and like finding things that you wouldn't expect like on sale, but you really can't compare like the way that it just lay on the skin, the way that it just goes on your skin, the way that it makes you feel. And I already did my eyebrows because I didn't have really like anything super luxury. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Okay, it's still expensive. It's like $28 Canadian, which is a lot of money for a brow pencil, but this one lasts so long to me that it's like really worth it. And look at how beautiful my eyebrows look. They're just so cute. And my lips are so dry and chapped. I think it's because I'm really like dehydrated probably. So I'm just using this one is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this is to prep my lips for later on. I know it's like $26 Canadian. It's like a lot of money. I remember the prices, but it just works so well. And we're gonna start with the face and do the eyes later because we're that adventurous. I'm not finished prepping. I'm gonna use a liquid luminizer from Orc Cosmetics, the Glow Lust. This one is quite expensive as well. I'm just gonna put like one pump here on this little palette. And obviously I like to do my makeup like this. I feel like so extra and like taking my time, and the skin looks so much better. Especially using these amazing products. So the Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation from Giorgio Armani. We're going there. I'm not gonna waste any product, so I'm gonna use my little spatula. We're like doing some chemistry here. Imagine that I'm doing your makeup and that's what I'm doing on your face, but I'm doing it on my face instead. I was like, I'm gonna use a sponge. No, it's gonna absorb all the product that we just put together. Okay, I'm gonna go with this packed brush from MAC. We're using expensive brushes as well, like I said, and I'm gonna go all around. It might not be super full coverage. I'm gonna have to build the coverage, you know, because my skin has some problematic areas. I can feel the luxury on my skin. It's so, ooh. I'm gonna do the contour first and then conceal, just in case. You never know, you know. And I'm having a hair somewhere. Hi. I'm gonna go with the Patrick Ta. This is the cream contour and powder duo. I haven't been using this in a while because I've been using only like literal bronzer, but we're gonna get back into contouring a little bit, use the bronzer that's in there because the formulation is just so good, and sometimes it's just, I don't know what's wrong with me. I just don't use the product. I don't know. Contour is done, and now some concealer. I didn't put a lot of contour. I just kept it very natural. I feel like when you're using those expensive products, you have to use less, and your skin just looks absolutely flawless. And that's what I want. I want flawless, beautiful looking skin. A little teeny packet brush. I'm like, shoot, I should have started with this because when it dries down, it just dries down and it's so hard to move. Do I look flawless yet? I was like, powder, but I'm like, no, we're not done with the creams yet. So we're gonna go with Hourglass, okay? So I bought this one. I love this one. It is in Adore. This is the Vanish blush. It is very deep, but this is so beautiful on every single skin tone. And I'm just gonna put it here. Just very, very slightly. Our little trusty Charlotte Tilbury powder that is super duper expensive and that turns another color on my face. We're gonna be using that today. Cute. Does Charlotte Tilbury have like a regular translucent powder? Like, does it have to be colored? Can she came out with a translucent one that would be so much easier than having all these colors, to be honest? I'm like, where do I continue? Do I finish off kind of like the face? I feel like I want to finish the face. So I'm going to go back with Where Are You? Patrick Ta little bronzer. I'm going to go back into a MAC brush for this one. So before I put any blush or anything, I want to go with the Hourglass. This is the light palette. Dim light, incandescent light, and the ambient palette. Because we have like some bronzing effects here, which is always cute. Blur out. This is to highlight a bit. That's the middle one. That's like the base, because we're gonna put something intense. I like intense. Are we getting glowy and like expensive yet? Oh my god. We're ready for the blush and everything. Blush, blush, blush. Blush, I have the Pat McGrath blush powder blush. This one is so pretty, and it's also like in the same shades that I want to go towards. You know, cooler tones for today. So I'm gonna go with my little brush. Just slightly put it on top and adding cute, divine. I feel like my skin is so smooth even though it's glowy, which is insane expensive. We're gonna go with the Skin Fetish highlighter from Pat McGrath as well, because it is just a beautiful highlighter. And I'm gonna take a different brush. Usually, like, people don't use these types of brushes, but I love using these. It's gonna give like a golden nectar glow. Ooh, that's why it's called like that. It's called like golden nectar, and it's a glow. I'm getting excited over my makeup. I'm like, oh, girl, oh. Skin is done. So now we're gonna go towards the eyes. I'm gonna go with the paint pot from MAC Cosmetics because it's the best one that I have. That's gonna go with the products that I currently have, and it's like, I guess, the most expensive one. Yeah, Khaleesi, you agree with me. I'm like, which product should I take? I do have like some eye products from Pat McGrath. It's literally the most expensive eyeshadow palette that I have. So I was like, I'm just gonna go with that. And I feel like, I don't know if I want to go with this one because I don't know if it's gonna fit with like the lip that I have in mind. I know that the brown would look absolutely beautiful. Brush. I think I'm gonna go just with that brown with a little tiny fluffy brush. And I'm creating like a liner with that brush, which is crazy because that brush is not that tiny. And I'm bringing it in my socket to contour the eye with that brown. I feel like it fits the vibe of like expensive products. So see, nothing has to be too complicated for a beautiful natural kind of makeup look. And I've been using only one brush, and it's crazy because this eye, it's so pretty. Oh my god, like, hello. The ultimate one eyeshadow makeup look. Yes. But then I'm gonna be using this little tiny shade here, Moonlight Liaison, to highlight, you know, the inner corner and just to be more, you know, precise a bit. Okay, I think I've been on this eyeshadow for far too long. I do love the eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I haven't been going into that eyeshadow palette that much. I don't know why. It's just, I think I was scared of that brown for some reason. But like, it makes my eyes pop so much. Like, this should be my everyday palette. Like, no question asked, no question things. This is my everyday palette. And we're not going to put any lashes today. I'm going to go with a mascara. And we have the Dior Show mascara because we got to be extra. And it's kind of like weird packaging. It's like airtight. Like, the brush is so massive. I tried it like once. It was really, really nice. Super natural though. I'm putting it on because it's probably expensive. I say probably because I didn't look at the price. I received it in like a sample. And it's like their new technology, which like when you look at the packaging, it looks really cheap. But it doesn't dry out and there's like suction. So you know that there's no air that's going to come in. And then I have a second mascara. Where is it? Where are you? It wasn't the wrong thing. So the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara. This one is more like a volumizing mascara. Then I'm going to put on top of this one. Bam, the lashes. I wanted to put like a lip in particular, but I feel like it's not gonna fit. Nope. It's not gonna fit anymore. We're gonna have to change plans. I wanted to put the Giorgio Armani lip power, but we're gonna stick with the same price range. Same price range. We're gonna go with Pat McGrath since the eyes with Pat McGrath and everything. And did we put anything else, Giorgio Armani? Yes, the foundation. So it's good. It's good. I wanted to put like a deep kind of like lip for that. This is gonna be so pretty. And we're gonna go with Pat McGrath Labs again. Lip. This is the lip pencil. Yes. Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Suburbia Pink. I'm gonna have to like sharpen it. Look at like how bad it is right now. It's crazy. There's nothing left. I kind of overlined my lids a teeny tiny bit too much, but we're going for the vibe today. This is in the shade Executive Realness, which is what we need today on this lip. And that is the full face of makeup, luxury makeup. Ew, we look so cute at the moment. What do you guys think? Like, does it look good? I feel like my face looks phenomenal. Like, it looks so good. Like, all the products, they all work together. It looks really beautiful blended. Even though I have like a little bit of acne peeking through, it is so beautiful. The lip color though, insane. I can't stop looking at myself. Okay, girl, the video's done. That's it for today. So I really hope that you like this full face of luxury makeup video, and if you did, make sure to like the video and to comment down below which product was your favorite, which product you have in your collection, and do you have any luxury products at home or you stay at the drugstore? Tell me down below. I would love to know that. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much guys for watching again. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.